Today I want to make this video on the R-Link beacon that's used for proximity detection. So this is one of the beacons. It has these very strong magnets mounted on the back. So this bracket holds these 4 magnets in place so you can mount this on a metal machine. The screws are mounted through these little ports in the enclosure at the top and the bottom. So that's how those are put on. So I have this plugged into power, and I don't know if you can see it, but the amber, this is the battery warning light, but this light, basically when it's blinking slowly, it's showing that it's charging. And if it stops or goes out, that means that it's fully charged. And if it goes solid amber, that means that we're down to 20% battery or less. So I'll just flip this around here. So I've got the power plugged into the bottom. You have to make sure that you kind of push it and turn it to make sure that it makes contact. So I'm going to remove power and turn on the beacon. So I unscrew this. Kind of hard to do it with one hand here, but basically this unplugs and it goes into standby mode. So to start it, I hit the power button here once, and you'll see that the green light comes on. So solid green of this R here means that it has power and there's no current incursions. If I was to approach this with my R-Link and I was too close, basically this would turn red, and the other one is flashing blue when there's a firmware upgrade that would be done. We've also seen when you pair with it, if you're an operator and you're pairing with this, it will turn white. So those are the main colors. So that's how to turn the unit on. So this will run for up to around 100 hours, and charging is about 8 hours if it's fully dead. Now I want to show you how to turn off a beacon. So this has been running, it's green, there's no incursions. If I hold this down for 6 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, release, you'll see red, push again, and it shuts it down. So that's how you turn it off. Once the beacon is shut down, I can't use the power button to turn it back on. The only way to turn it back on now is to plug it into power, and then it'll reboot, and then you can unplug the power, it'll go into standby, and you hit start again.